यूपीएससी प्रीलिम्स और मेंस में आप न्यूज़पेपर को कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं देखते हैं विद इन जस्ट 3 minutes. Moving forward. German Chancellor must to visit on Jan 12th and hold talks with PM. This can be used in GS2 in the bilateral relations within the country. And recently, India and Germany completed their 25 years of strategic partnership and further intensify cooperation on the sectors like trade, investment, technology, education, skilling, mobility. Moving forward. PM directly monitor 15 projects in Jammu and Kashmir. This article is important for both prelims and mains. You can use this as a Pragati platform as a case study in any topics of good governance. And from prelims point of view, you should know the basic provisions of the Pragati platform, which acronym is Proactive Good Governance and Timely Implementation, launched in 2015 by central government to actively monitor the projects and schemes of the state. Moving forward. Beyond Maduro, why Delhi has new window of opportunity in the region? This can be used in GS2 international relations, and this article also important from Prince point of view. It is the Monroe Doctrine. You should know it was framed by then President James Monroe in 1823, which established the dominance of US in the Western Hemisphere regards any threats. And from Main's point of view, Delhi has a new window of opportunity to leverage the position, needs to sustain political attention and targeted and trade diplomacy in the Latin America region. Above all, India needs a serious effort to understand the region on its own terms. Moving forward, to make the new law work, evaluate the MG honestly. This can be used in GS2 when in GS3 if the question comes on any policy regarded topic or India's move from welfare to right-based approach. And Pilin's point of view is also important. You should know the basic facts of VBGDMG, which has earlier replaced the MG Act. The number of employment days has been increased from 100 to 125. And the fiscal structure of the scheme also changed from 90s to 10 to 60s to 40, which is also can be used in federalism, that it has imposes a fiscal burden on the state. Moving forward, SIR could now back decades of progress in women political participation. This can be used in GS2 if the question directly comes on SIR. You can use some intro like SIR 2.0 witness of exclusion of voters nearly around 5.6 crore. Now the SIR has already wiped off nearly 6 lakh women voters Gujarat, more than 5 lakh in Rajasthan, West Bengal, and almost 5 lakh women voters in Madhya Pradesh. Moving forward. Colombia, Cuba, Mexico, what's behind Trump threat? Red flags over Greenland, why US wants to annex the territory. This article is important for both prelims and mains. From prelims point of view, the map of these countries is very important, and UPSC is continuously asked from mapping. And from mains point of view, you can use this example in GS2 international relations. Recently, Colombia, Mexico, and Cuba are facing threats of Trump regarding illicit drug flow in US and illegal migrants, and also US wants to annex Greenland over some important rare earth minerals and critical minerals. Already China account 11% of the investment in the mineral sector in Greenland, just behind Australia, and the US data from Island Mineral Department shows. That's your UPSC rating news for today's day. Consistent stay ahead until tomorrow's news. All the best.